This section deals with hydrostatics and fluid dynamics, and I'll just run through the bullet points underneath that topic in the Kaplan QuickBooks. So first is density equals m over v. Specific gravity is the density of some substance over the density of water. Density of water being 10 cubed times kilograms per meters cubes. The weight of an object in a fluid is the density times gravity times the volume. Then it goes into pressure, which involves three main forms, being static pressure, absolute pressure, and gauge pressure. Static pressure equals density times gravity times V, and that's the pressure seen in fluid that has uniform density throughout, and it's usually in an enclosed container. Absolute pressure equals P naught plus density times gravity times Z, and gauge pressure equals total pressure minus atmospheric pressure. Absolute pressure is generally due to gravity below the surface of a fluid. There are four principles underneath the pressure section, and the first one being Pascal's principle, the continuity equation, Archimedes' principle, and Bernoulli's equation. Under Pascal's principle, basically states that the equation is pressure equals force per area. Pascal's principle states that a change in pressure is undiminished throughout a system. So if you have whatever force 1 over area 1 on one side of the vessel, is equal on the opposite side of the vessel. Other equations underneath Pascal are area 1 times the distance of 1 equals the area of 2 times the distance of 2. And of course, work equals F1 D1 equals F2 D2. Continuity equation is just A1 V1, which is the speed, equals A2 V2. This wasn't in the QuickBooks, but I think that section also deals with like laminar flow, turbulence, and I think like viscous drag or something. I'll double check those. Archimedes' principle deals with buoyant force, and that force is just equal to the density of a fluid times gravity times the volume of the object submerged. And the main thing about this principle is that if the weight of the fluid lost is less than the weight of the object will sink. Conversely, if the weight of the fluid lost is greater than the weight of the object, then the object will float. Lastly, Bernoulli's equation is just that pressure plus 1/2 density times speed squared plus density times gravity times the height equals, this is a constant. And those are all the topics discussed under hydrostatics and fluid dynamics. Thank you. Goodbye.